guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm doing a video that in itself is kind of petty, but I'm doing 5 things you can do to deal with snakes wherever you live, because I know where I live there are plenty. No, but for real, this video is 5 ways to deal with petty people, whether it may be somebody starting rumors about you or just being plain rude and petty and snaky. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, the first thing is you gotta make a little concoction called don't care what they say, don't let them get to you, put it together, and you've got a snake repellent. 9 times out of 10, anybody that's being petty is doing it to get under your skin. They're doing it to make you feel little so they can build themselves up because they're insecure. If they're being petty, saying stuff about you, or doing stuff to make you look bad, that is because they don't like you, they know you're better than them, and they're trying to make themselves look better when really it's just going to come back on them and look really bad. Number 2, if you have them on social media and it's somebody that just really gets under your skin, and I know I'm the type of person, I hate blocking people because I feel like that's going to start more drama, but in the long run, just block them. Until they try to be petty again, they're probably not going to notice it, and whenever they do, they're going to be like, man, they just cut me off. They don't care enough to like hear what I have to say, and they don't really want to hear what I have to say, so I'm gonna leave them alone. And if they don't leave you alone and they find another way to bother you, who really cares? Who really doesn't have that much of a life that that's what they do for fun? Numero 3. I don't speak Spanish. I'm not trying to come off like I'm bilingual. I'm not, trust me. But you need to learn to let it roll off your back. I have had plenty of people do plenty of petty things. I've had girls try to steal my boyfriends in the past. I've had girls that have stolen my boyfriends in the past. I've had guys that have made bets on wanting to date me and playing me, and that's always fun. But that's a different story. But you've got to learn, if they're really that petty, do you really want them in your life? Does their opinion really matter to you? And I know it is so hard. I take everything everybody says or does. Even if somebody looks at me wrong, I'm like, man, they probably hate me. I'm probably an awful person. They probably don't like me for a reason. No, some people just are mean. Like, you've got to realize some people are just rude, and some people are just going to try to get to you. Like, you've got to learn there will always be somebody, whether it's in your workplace, your school, your friend group. Well, you shouldn't have them in your friend group, but there's always going to be somebody that doesn't like you and that wants to be better than you. And they're gonna try to tear you down, and you've just got to learn that does it really matter? You've got to do you. You've got to be the best self you can be, and you've got to forget what other people are saying about you. You need to have good people surrounding you to where even if a rumor does emerge about you or somebody does something to make you look bad, your friends and the people in your workplace or the people at your school go, she wouldn't do that. That's not true. Number 4 is remove yourself from the situation if at all possible. If you're friends with that person and you notice that she's hitting on your boyfriend or starting stuff about you, or like rumors are emerging that only she could know about that, like cut her off, cut him off, cut whatever off, the person in general. Like block them, say adios, be like, no sis, no. I'm the type of person that I love some tea. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hot, cold, iced, sweet, chai, whatever. But I do not start it. I will sit and I will talk with my friends. I'll be like, did you hear what happened to Shaniqua the other day? Or what's going on with that thing with... I know so many people, so many different names. I'm trying to come up with fake names, but I don't want anybody to like think I'm talking about somebody. This is hard. Did you hear what Brenda said about Katie? You know, that kind of stuff. But I'm never going to be like, girl, did you hear who she slept with? You know, like, no. I don't start stuff about people, and you've just got to learn that you got to cut the people that do off, because you're going to get dragged into it, and you're going to get dragged into their problems, and you don't need that, and then you're going to look like a petty person. That's just not a good way to look, girl. You got to put your little tiara on, your little princess crown, no, your queen crown, and you've got to realize, I am above this. I am above what they are saying about me. I'm above what they are doing to make me feel bad. I'm above it. You just gotta realize that you are above these people. And I don't like to say that people are above other people, but if somebody's trying to ruin your day, you are above that person. Do not let them get to you. But going back to reason 1, with your little concoction, you just gotta realize you slay. You slay every single day, my boo. And you're a great person, and that is why people are trying to tear you down. You gotta mix up some, I'm awesome, I'm a great person, I don't care what these people have to say about me. And you just gotta keep going. You gotta be like, I'm gonna put on my queen, not my princess, my queen crown today, my tiara, and I'm gonna be like, I slay, I look good, I know I'm not whatever Shelby said about me, I'm not whatever Shaniqua said, you know, I am me. Only the Lord can judge me. I love me. And whatever they say is not going to get to me. And that's how you need to be. And also, just realize high school people are just rude and nasty. So, what they say doesn't really matter anyways. I mean, you're not going to talk to these people in 30 years. They might have made fun of you in high school, and 10 years from now, they'll be at your desk asking you for a job because all they worried about in high school was, did you hear what she did? Did you see who she dated? I heard so-and-so. Or it might be a guy that played you and was a deadbeat guy and was like, I need a job, man. I knew you back in high school. I was nice. No, you weren't. Just remember that these people might be coming to you in 5 years or 10 years and saying, hey, I need a favor. Hey, I need a job because you're better off than me because you didn't let me get to you. You kept working on your school. You kept working on you. So, yeah. I know this was kind of a dumb video, but I hope y'all liked it. And if you did, share it and retweet it and like it, comment, and give it a big old thumbs up if you know some petty people in your life that need to sit down and stop sipping the tea.